day challenge, and all I'm going to be doing is talking on camera, and I'm not um, I am not very good at speaking in front of camera. Um, I'm not very confident in front of a camera. So my goal is for this year to um, be better. Just be more confident, be more comfortable in front of camera. And yeah, I think that's about it. Um, it's not 60 seconds. I'm supposed to stay here for 60 seconds. That's part of the challenge. But I already told you guys what I need to say. But if you have any tips how to be more confident in front of the camera, let me know. If you have any questions, I don't know. If you have any questions, ask me so I know what to talk about for my next video. What else? I think that's it. Yeah. Is it 60 seconds? I think it's 60 seconds. Okay. See you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna post this every single day for 30 days. Oh, bye bye.